So again, I'm looking at anywhere from 16 to 22 hours maybe per week, and I'm flexible. So some weeks will be a little less, some would be a little bit more. And what might that look like? Like I have my current training schedule. I've got what I've done over the past year. This is just a sample of what it could look like. Okay. And again, it's just like the current training schedule. It varies from quarter to quarter. So for this, I'd be looking at Mondays would I'd work a half day. I'd work in the mornings. I do my team meeting. I do admin work, and then I'd be done for the afternoon. So I'd have a half day essentially every Monday. Okay, and then I would have the rest of the week to do training, and 2 of those days I would take off. So I'd have essentially 2 days that I could do training, and basically 2 days that I would take off. Okay. So for example, on week 1 here, looking at this example, on Tuesday I would teach the registration class. That's an all-day class. And Wednesday I would teach ED Reg. Okay. And that is a 6-hour class we always build in a half an hour on top of that when we're recording this, when we're tracking it, for additional, post work, doing attendance, unblocking users, that sort of thing. And so there, I would work Tuesday and Wednesday, pretty much most of those 2 days. Okay, probably a little bit more on Tuesday, a little less on Wednesday, but it would end up being about 19 hours. Okay. And I would have Thursday and Friday that I could dedicate to, my project. Okay. So then week 2, another possible configuration of a training schedule during a week would be Tuesday I took off, Wednesday I do ED Reg, and Thursday I do scheduling, which is an all-day class. So it's very similar to the first week. It's just flip-flopped a little bit, different classes, but again, coming out at 19 to 20 hours. Week 3, same idea, except Wednesday I do the ED Reg, and then Friday I do the referrals class and the covenant class we call CAD 105. And altogether, again, they just happen to be working out to be 19 hours. And then week 4, I thought, well, okay, week 4, let's say I'm scheduled to do NHO. Okay, so I might present, I might support, but Tuesday and Wednesday, I'll be down for doing NHO, leaving me Thursday and Friday. So, but each week, again, I do admin. We have meetings, we have team meetings. I have a front end team meeting every Monday morning. We have regular OTD meetings. So I definitely want to still stay, connected with everybody and support my team. So that's a possible configuration. That's just something I made up myself. Okay. We can talk to leadership here, and like Michelle, for example, who does all the scheduling, and see if she sees any challenges with doing this. I'd like to do that potentially, but that in a nutshell is what I'm looking to do.